Jones the champ, the legend in the light. Fighting through the darkness, turning wrongs to right. And in the corner, watching every move, Dana White's heart, a beat that's smooth. From the first fight to the final bout, a bond was formed that time won't allow. Together they stand through every win and loss. In the realm of the fight, they're never lost. Never lost. John and Dana, a love that's more than true. In the cage of life, they're breaking through. Champions rise, but it's the love that stays. The love that stays, guiding through the storm in the darkest days. Every victory, every scar, every grind, a testament to the heart intertwined. Dana's pride in every punch and kick. Sean's spirit, it's the bond that sticks. Through the highs and the lows and the fight so fierce, the loyalty's a bond that time won't pierce. Together they stand through every win and loss. The win and loss. In the realm of the fight, they're never lost. Never lost. John and Dana, a love that's more than true. In the cage of life, they're breaking through. In the end, when the lights fade away, the love will remain a guiding ray. For every story has its final page, but their hearts will echo through every age. Together they stand through every win and loss. The win and loss. In the realm of the fight, they're never lost. They're never lost. Sean and Dana, a love that's more than true. In the cage of life, they're breaking through. To the fighters and the hearts they bring, in the ring of love, they're forever king. Sean and Dana, till the end of days, the bond will shine in countless ways.
Freaky baby.